number one thing is build a culture around food safety, because it is the singular biggest reason why an industry can either succeed or fail.
Food for me is comfort, it's happiness, it's smile, it's my skin, my glow, my everything. It's happiness.
Food for me is something that I live for, live by and live to. Why live to is because, if I am not true to the food that I'm cooking, then I don't think I'm doing justice to what I'm doing really. What I do for a living is food, so that's why I live for, because I love eating. And I live by, because whatever I make, I try to make it so good that people swear by it, so live by it.
No matter where the dining experience is, food is at the core. That's critical. Rest everything, the embellishments that are there, they add on to that course. So it does not matter where it is, whether it's hotel, restaurant, or ready, or home, or wherever. Food has to be at the core.
Food for me is life, food for me is existence, mine and even otherwise.
Food connects me to the world.
Can get you energized, maximized, naturalized, supersized, and in life gets you Mickey-mized.